Hey guys, so welcome back to Lex Reads. So in today's video, I wanted to do a cozy evening routine fall edition because we are officially in fall. Today is the first day of fall. Like I said, I wanted to do a cozy little, evening routine. I just got off from work. It is currently 6:30. Remember when I was out, I forgot to put down my ground beef because I wanted to make spaghetti and meatballs. So I just took down the meat, but I put it in like hot water. So hopefully, which a lot of times it does, thaw it out faster. But I want to make that. Also, want to show you guys some of my like fall scents, house perfume, like scents I like to use, during the fall time. Y'all know I'm really big on smells. Really big on smells. And I always say I don't like my house to smell like a house. Uh, and when it comes to perfume, you already know I got a whole routine and all of that. So, yeah, I want to show you guys that. And then, most importantly, what I'm going to be reading this probably whole week, and obviously this evening. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you guys. So, what I am currently reading, I actually started it today and it's already a banger. I am reading our book club pick for the month of September for Lex Reads book club. I have a week to get started on it. It's called These Heathens by Mia McKenzie. And y'all, first of all, I didn't realize it was this short. It is only 178, but it's about a young girl. She has gotten herself, oh Lord, in a situation. She got caught up because she's gotten pregnant. It's set in the 60s in Georgia, I believe. And she doesn't know what to do. And she knows she doesn't want to have this baby. So she seeks refuge from her teacher, and she takes her down for like the weekend to, I guess, have it done. But she gets immersed in this whole world that she never knew. And it's historical fiction. And I know the author said, you're going to be running into characters like Martin Luther King, Coretta Scott King. Again, this young lady, she's extremely sheltered. So she only knows, her community, her church, community, her church life, her family. So, y'all, I'm on 6% and I'm already loving it. So yeah. So yeah, that is what I am reading. What else? Usually I like to read 3 books at once. I started this book earlier this month, Beverly Jenkins Night Song. Y'all know I'm still on the Beverly Jenkins kick. This is her first book. So I actually finished Nighthawk by her yesterday, which absolutely loved it. I listened to it on audio. Oh, that was so good. So I do have this also to read, which where my thing at? Oh Lord. Oh Jesus, I don't know where I stopped. I'm gonna have to go through this. I remember saying I run to read her first book because I've read a good amount last month and this month. Right now, I do want to concentrate on These Heathens because that book needs to be done by Sunday. Another book I want to show you guys, I actually finished it over the weekend and y'all had a ball. You hear me? I went back to my Brittany Cherry book. She is a romance author. She just got picked up traditionally, I want to say a year or two ago. And this is part of the Element series. There are 4 books in the series, but they are standalones. You do not have to read them in order. Although it's a series, the characters in each book, they don't, go to the next book, or you don't see them in, book 2 or 3. No, because I read these 2 books in the series. This is the first book, The Air He Breathes. Loved it. The second book is the wait the the Fire Between High and Low. I didn't like that. It was giving me too much like YA, even though it's not a YA book, but I them teenagers getting on my nerves. So I DNF'd that. And then I went to the third book, The Silent Water. Really enjoyed that. And then this is the last book, The Gravity of Us. Y'all, it was so good. Oh, it was so good. Hard to explain it without giving it away. But you just have a man named Graham. He's very to himself. He doesn't like to ask for help a lot. And something in his world just turns upside down, and he, in order for him to basically navigate his life, he's going to have to ask for help. And then you have a young lady named Lucy. She is carefree. She's kind of like a hippie, real optimistic, um, and her life it's been a little difficult, but she embraces it. She's such a carefree, spirited person, where she's kind of like, everything's going to be all right, everything's meant, to happen. And they meet, and yeah, two total, opposites when it comes to their thoughts and values and ideologies. But yeah, really, really good. I like the little twist to it. Enjoyed it with some drama and tea. So I know I loved it. But yeah, this was really good. I actually started this last week because I wanted to start something. And you know how you get that feeling where you want to start a new book? I have another book by her that I do want to read. It's called The Mixtape. So yeah, really want to get into this, but I really enjoyed that. So that is the reading. Let me go check on this boiled water for these noodles. And then I want to see if I know the meat's probably not thawed out. So yeah. Okay, you guys. So while my food is cooking, I wanted to show you guys some of my um I want to show you guys some of the smell goods and things I use around the house during this time. So for the house, what I started using yesterday, when I cleaned up, or Saturday, is this candle. This is Sand and Fog. It's called Cashmere Linen. Now I got this from, where did I get this from? Marshalls. The thing with Sand and Fog, I like to get them at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington. They do have a website, but if you go to those stores that I just mentioned, it's going to be super cheap. So like this candle for this many ounces is only $8. If you go to the website, this is probably going to be like $20 to $30, and I'm not paying that for no candle. Those stores are snatch and grab. So like if you do see this, please get it because it smells really good. It smells like linen. I like scents that smell like laundry, linen. I love men's cologne like sandalwood, teak wood, oak wood, all oud, all of those. I like manly scents. I honestly do. They give off like you showered, or in the house they give off like, oh yeah, you be cleaning. That's why I like those scents. And also they're very strong, so they last long. They're really potent. Another place I love to get my candles is from Bath and Body Works. I only do Bath and Body Works when they have a sale on them candles, because I'm not paying $25 and all that. No, when they do, $13, $12, when they do their semi-annual sale, I rack up. One of my staples from Bath and Body Works is sun drenched linen. Again, y'all know I love these linen smells. These you can get all year round, because y'all know with Bath and Body Works, girl, they come up with something so good and then all of a sudden it's gone. Or it might be like a limited edition, thing for the season. But this you can get all year long. I love burning this all year long. Another one that I love, and the name is fitting, it is called Laundry Day. Now, the only thing with this one, you only can get these, I think, during the fall and winter time. After that, you can't get them. So I racked up a lot of these during that time. Also, I asked for, these during Christmas time for gifts. Love this so much. Another staple that I love and you can get all year round from Bath and Body Works is the mahogany teak wood. I like the intense mahogany teak wood. I do that year round, even though that one's a really good one if you're a person that likes to do like seasonal scents. I would say that one is a good one for fall and winter. Really good one. It smells like men's cologne. It's in that black packaging. I actually burnt my last one, so got to get another one. I'm a type of person where in the bathroom I like to have the set all together. And the last set I had was the mahogany teak wood, but I want to change it out for, the season, since it is, autumn, fall. So for this season that's in my bathroom, I have the whipped vanilla honey. and it smells so good. I love the packaging. It just screamed like fall, you know what I mean, in autumn. I have the soap, the foam soap, and then I have the concentrated spray. So yeah, I like the whole set in the bathroom. And I also like these sprays too, these concentrated sprays. Now look, they don't last no time, but if you spray, a couple of sprays, it gets the job going. I'm the type of person where I like to have candles in each room. So in this room currently, I am burning the book loft. Got it for the namesake, obviously, to be in my library. It's supposed to smell like old. It does have that cologne scent because again, it's supposed to give like old book, shelves and all of that. It says pair with your favorite book with notes of crisp bergamot woods and a warm blanket. So yeah, it does smell like that. I like the manly scents. Again, I wanted to get it because of the packaging. I was looking for the big one with the 3 wick, but they were all sold out. I also like the what do you call it, the wallflowers, so I matched the wallflowers with the scents. And I also, for this room, I have the book loft spray. I love this packaging. For the kitchen, I only use this product only in fall and winter time, and it is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. This is the mum scent. It is a limited edition and only comes during this time. This I actually got last year because I stocked up, y'all. I love this scent so much. It has a perfume scent, and usually I don't like flowery scents, but it has a perfume scent, but it also smells clean. Now, the thing with this is it's not disinfected, and I'm really big on stuff like that. So, what I usually do is, every night I will disinfect the counters and wipe it down in the cabinets. So, I'll do that first with that, like cleaning supplies, usually like a Fabuloso or Spick and Span, Lysol, like that. Then I will top it off with this because it does have a, like a sweet smell that makes your house smell really good. But yeah, you guys try this. This is the mum scent. It is bomb. One perfume that I have been wearing lately is the Perry Ellis, just the regular one, and it is so good. I actually mixed this with, I wore this yesterday and Kiehl's, y'all. Oh my gosh. But this Perry Ellis, y'all, again, it's just the original one. I got this bottle for $7.99 from Marshalls. If you guys want Perry Ellis and want to try it and don't want to spend all the money, I would suggest you go to stores like a Burlington, a TJ Maxx, a Marshalls. Because you can get this at the counter of like Macy's, and obviously you can order Perry Ellis. But I don't like to pay the full price. And when I saw this bottle for only $8, yes, that is what I have been wearing lately. I also like to use diffusers. And usually what I do, I'll put on a diffuser like after I clean. I always put one on after I cook. And then when I leave the house, I like to put one on. The ones I have been using again is Sand and Fog. I love these ones because they have like the drops, you guys. So this one is the orange vanilla, and it smells so good. Again, I like these droppers. They say you only can put it like, 2 to 3. Girl, I'll put 6. Oh, they smell so good. This is another orange vanilla. It's Tahiti vanilla. This one smells really good. I have a violet sandalwood. And then the last one I have is teakwood. And y'all, these smell so good. I also had some of these during the summertime because they come out with like different like scents. I know recently I saw one, it was like a pumpkin scent. I don't do nothing pumpkin. I'm the stereotypical black person where we do sweet potato pie, we won't do pumpkin pie. I don't like nothing pumpkin. But when I saw vanilla and sandalwood, you already know I had to get these. All right, y'all, I'm gonna check on my meatballs because I still got to do the sauce, and then we can eat. So guys, real quick, I made spaghetti and meatballs, but I did a spaghetti sauce. Then I also included meatballs. I like a lot of meat. You guys know spaghetti is really quick and easy, it's cheap, and it lasts for some days. Y'all hear my background music? I'm watching The Gilded Age. I'm rewatching the 3rd season. It's one of my comfort shows, so yes. Okay, you guys, so finally, I am going to be reading. I just got out the bathtub. Y'all know how I do. I read a little bit. These Heathens, y'all. I am really liking it. And it's going by super fast. Again, this book is very short. So I want to read for at least about my 40 minutes since it is kind of late. I think it's almost 11 o'clock. I was gonna make a matcha, but I don't feel like doing that. And I forgot that I had bought this Dr. Pepper, the strawberry and cream. So we're gonna have this Dr. Pepper. This is really good, but y'all, it got a lot of grams of sugar. So just be careful. Oh, this is good. Okay, you guys, so it is currently 11:30 and I am going to hit the sack because I am getting sleepy. You guys can see my routine is very simple. I'm a creature of habit. I basically do the same thing every evening. The only thing that was different was me actually cooking because I do like to do meal prep, but I didn't feel like doing that yesterday. But I'm very proud of myself because my goal was to start this book. I did. I've gotten to chapter 4, and this book is very short. I'm going to be able to get through it before even the weekend, which is a win for me. Yeah, guys, that is it for my cozy, what, evening in. I still can't believe that we are officially in fall. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you, and I'll be back with more Black Books. Bye.